how to lock or unlock home screen layout on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we then scroll down and tap on home screen. Now go down. And then tap on lock home screen layout. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When this is turned on, it says prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. Here, once it is locked, you can see I cannot drag it, I cannot change it. If I want to rearrange the icons or if I want to move it to a different locations, I need to go into settings and make the change. So I need to turn off the lock button. And after it is unlocked, I can then move or readjust my home screen icons. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.